In Instagram, watch story option not showing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram watch story option not showing. So let's see how to fix it. To fix this problem, just go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, make sure your Instagram is updated. Just update your Instagram app and then go back. Now open in Instagram. Now click on profile icon. Now click on 3-line icon. Scroll down and find help option. Just click on this option. Now click on report a problem. Now click again report problem. Now click on include and continue. Here describe your issues in details. Here type, hi Instagram team, my Instagram account watch history option not showing, but I want to get this option, so please help me by solving issues as soon as possible. After typing this, now click on send. After this process, I hope your problem will be solved very soon. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.